Hello students. Today I'm going to discuss about the reduced syllabus for this year because of the pandemic situation. The syllabus which I'm going to discuss it is totally in Marathi. So I'll just give you an explanation in Marathi as well as in English. So the lesson number 1, that is Prakran 1, that is population part 1, Lok Sankhya. So in the case of this, the deducted portion is Lok Sankhya Ward. So population growth. This section is been deducted. So there will be no questions regarding this. Zara डोकं चालवा. So here you have thinking skills. Give a try. Okay. So even this is deducted. तुमच्या मते अपरोक्तपैकी कोणत्या टप्प्यातून भारत देश जात आहे? So this is the question which has been reduced. So in English, this is in which stage do you think that India is passing right now? So the next topic is Paha Bare Zamte Ka. So this is on page number 1 in your textbook. So in this topic also, it is the things are eliminated, that is calculate the population densities in 2018. So there will be no questions regarding this. So this is all about lesson number 1. Okay students, now we'll discuss about the chapter 2, that is population part 2, प्रकरण दुसरं लोकसंख्या भाग 2. So in this सांगा पाहू, this is on the page number 13. Can you tell? So this question is regarding population pyramid of India, which they have shown in the figure, and you have to tell that which pyramid type does India belongs. So आकृतीनुसार भारत कोणत्या मनोऱ्यात येईल आणि भारतातील लोकसंख्येच्या रचनेबाबत भाष्य करा. So comment on the age structure regarding India. So this is been eliminated in your syllabus this year. So the next is the push and pull factors which are coming under the migration topic. So even this section has been eliminated. So there will be no questions regarding the push and pull factors, which are also called as Denara Pradesh and Ghinara Pradesh. So there will be no questions regarding this. Okay. So next is, can you tell? So in this, you have to tell the characteristics of composition of population. Okay, so even this is not there. You don't have any questions on the characteristics of composition of population for this year. Next is Shodha Pahu. So in this you have to tell जनगणना 2011 नुसार भारताचे लिंग गुणोत्तरे शोधा. So you just have to give the explanation regarding this, which is also not included this year. Okay. Next is लोकसंख्येचा लाभांश. So even this chart which is there in your textbook, this is also eliminated this year. You will not be asked any type of questions on this particular chart. So I hope that you have got the eliminated lessons or the points or the topics which are not included right now for this year. And this topic is regarding demographic dividend. So there will be no question regarding the ratio of working and non-working population, which is on the page number 14 in your textbook. Now we'll discuss about chapter number 3, that is human settlements. So the topic which is eliminated in chapter number 3 is on page number 24. Thode Athuya, it is also called as let's recall in English. So the question is, can you differentiate between urban and rural settlements? So here there will be no questions asked regarding urban and rural settlement. Next is this chart or this map which has been deducted from your syllabus. There will be no questions regarding this, and no activities should be taught regarding this to the children. So this is totally about land cover and land use. That is Bhumi Upayojan and Bhumi Achhadan. So the next topic which has been excluded from your syllabus is regarding the same chart. They have given a lengthy explanation, geographical explanation they have given. They have asked you the various questions that nakashat काय काय दिसतंय तुम्हाला. Regarding all those questions you have to give the answers. This is the list of the question, and here they have given the explanation. The example of Kolhapur district has been discussed in your textbook, which is eliminated this year. Next is Shodha Pahu. So even this part is being eliminated. So this is all about the eliminated portion of your lesson number 3. So this Shodha Pahu is totally dependent on land use and land cover, which you have to differentiate. So there will be no questions asked on land use and land cover this year for your 12th standard board exams. Next is Gramin Nagri Jhalar Kshetra. So even this is Sanga Pahu. So there will be no questions on this also, which is based on urban and rural again. Hello students, now we'll discuss about lesson number 4, that is Prakran 4. The name of this chapter is Economic Activities. So the very first chart in this lesson, try this, that is Karun Paha, is on page number 33. So in this chart you have the primary economic activities, that is Prathamik Arthik Kriya. Then natural resources required for this activity, that is Avashyak Naisargik Sadhana Sampatti. So natural and man-made, that is Naisargik and Manvi. So you have this type of activity is being eliminated from the syllabus. So next is Zara Vichar Kara. So in this also you can, there are questions regarding polyhouse, greenhouse. So even this type of questions, that is regarding polyhouse, greenhouse, vegetations, will not be asked to you in this board exam. Next is Shodha Pahu. सो खाणकाम व्यवसायामुळे वायू, जल, भूमी आणि ध्वनी प्रदूषण मोठ्या प्रमाणात होते. तुम्ही त्याचे प्रत्येकी एक उदाहरण शोधा. So this question is related to mining, and you just have to tell how it affects the air and water and the land. So even this question, which is giving the detailed information regarding mining, is being eliminated this year. Next is the question regarding, so this is related to how overexploitation of any kind of animal resource affects human lives and environment. So this is also eliminated. So there will be no questions regarding overexploitations of any kind of animal resource that affects the human lives and environment. Next is this is the chart or different things which are given, and you have to discuss on it. So there will be no discussion on this topic. This has been eliminated. Can you tell? And there are different questions regarding these activities is been eliminated this year. नेक्स्ट इज जरा विचार करा मासेमारी व मत्स्यपालन यामध्ये फरक काय. सो देर इज नो क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग दिस ऑल्सो. अगेन शोधा पाहू. So all the activities like vichar kara, shodha pahu, let's try, can you remember, can you tell, so all these things are being eliminated. Okay, so list the effects of deforestation on environment, animals, birds and humans. So all these things are being eliminated this year. Next is sanga pahu, how there is the effect of deforestation, that is the question which is going to affect directly on animals, on birds and also the environment. So these are the different topics which are being eliminated this year. So the next lesson is lesson number 5, Prakran Paths. The name of the lesson is secondary economic activities. So in the first page itself of the lesson number 5, which is on page number 42, you have different pictures and occupations regarding secondary activities. So there will be no questioning or discussion on these types of activities. So this part is eliminated. Next is the part which is given in Mahiti Ahe Ka Tumhala. So this is on the page number. This is on page number 51. So in this, there are different industrial and economic places which they are discussing about DMIC. So this is also eliminated. There will be no questions on this. So the next is Nehmi Lakshat Theva, that is always remember section, which is in your textbook. So even this is been eliminated this year, which is on page number. So here, that is on page number 44. Here, they have discussed about the difference between wet losing and wet gaining industries. This part is been eliminated, so there will be no questions regarding wet losing and wet gaining industries. So next is Zara Doke Salwa. So in this also there is one activity in which they have discussed the different secondary occupations. So this is on page number 47. So use your brain. So they have given you the chart in which you have to write the name of industry, raw materials, finished goods, and factors affecting locations. So different industries example they have given, and you have to write what is raw material and what is the finished goods. So this part is also eliminated. So these are all the topics which are eliminated in your chapter number 5, which is related or regarding um, secondary activities. Next is give it a try, which is on page number 53. So after looking at the logo, that is Digital India and Make in India, Made in India. So these are the different things. So even this has been eliminated this year. Next is Karun Paha, that is also on the same page. Try this. So this is the question which is on factors affecting the location, how the location is going to affect on the industries. Next is geographical region, how we choose while setting up other industries. So even such questions will not be asked. So this is all about lesson. Now we'll discuss about lesson number 6, that is tertiary economic activities. So the topics eliminated in this chapter. This is the page number 57 or 58. This is the map which is on world major transportation routes. So there will be no questions asked regarding this topic. Next is Sangha Pahu. So this will be regarding the different occupations of tertiary activities, which is on page number 57. So these are the questions on which you can tell the examples of primary, secondary, tertiary. What are the things you use in your day-to-day life? So even this part is. So next is the again can you tell section which is there in this chapter. So even this part is been eliminated. Make friends with map. So this is also the part which is on page number 57, which has been eliminated in this chapter. Next is Zara Doke Chalwa and Sanga Paho. So all the activities which are related which are like find out, can you tell, uh, so these are the different things which are being eliminated. Next is Pahabare Zamteka. So even this is a chart which is in your textbook. So there will be no discussion or there will be no questions regarding this. Even this part is eliminated, which is on page number 63. So this is totally dependent on the contribution of various sectors in national income. So there will be no question regarding this. Then the next is always remember, hey, Nehmi Lakshat Theva. So there will be no questioning on quaternary and quinary activities. Okay. So Chaturthak va Panchak Arthik Vyavasay. So there will be no questions on these. Fourth and fifth activity, which is being categorized in the economic activities. Okay. So next is there is a pyramid. How is the growth of the pyramid? This whole section is being eliminated. Okay, which is totally based on quaternary and quinary activities. And again, the questions Karun Paha or try this, which is on page number 63, is also eliminated this year. Next is Doke Salwa. Give it a try, or you can say, can you tell this? So even this chart, which is based on different countries and their activities, is being eliminated this year. So next lesson is lesson number 7, that is Prakran 7, region and regional development. So in this case, this is the chart which is based on different regions, how they are contributing in the case of GDP of primary sectors or secondary or tertiary. So like that they have divided the different sectors, and this is the table number 7.5, which is on page number 72. Okay. So next is Shodha Pahu. So here, can you find out this? So in this, there is different information related to human happiness index. So even this has been deducted. Next is Sangha Pahu. So over here also there are different questions on Lok Sankhya. Even this is being deducted, which is the chart number 7.2. So in this section, they are discussing about per capita income. How is the population? It is below poverty or urbanization. So all these things are discussed along with the questions. So this part is being eliminated. So the next is a table which you have to fill based on formal regions and functional regions. So it is giving the example of Kolhapur district, that is Kolhapur Jilla, Haveli Taluka. So even this part is being eliminated. Next is Mahiti Ahe Ka Tumhala. So this is an activity, or you can say, do you know this? So this is regarding भारत स्वतंत्र झाल्यानंतरचं राज्य पुनर्गठन कायद्याने भाषेनुसार राज्याच्या सीमा निश्चित करण्यात येतील. So these are the things which are being eliminated this year. So the last chapter for the syllabus of science geography this year is nature and scope, lesson number 8, Prakran art. So on the first page of lesson number 8 itself, that is page number 75, you have this Sanga Pahu. Let's recall. There itself you have a chart which is based on the mountain, oceans, climate, vegetation, agriculture, which is also called as Parvat, Mahasagar, Havaman, Vanaspati, Sheti, Nakashe. So this part is totally eliminated. The same table, the geographical explanation is given on the same page, that is page number 75, is being eliminated. Next is Sanga Pahu, can you tell? So this is also eliminated from your this chapter, which is environment versus man, the difference between environment versus man, or complete study of India versus study on only agriculture in India. ओके. ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला दोन डिफरन्स सांगायचे, दॅट इज पर्यावरण विरुद्ध मानव आणि भारताचा संपूर्ण अभ्यास विरुद्ध भारतातील फक्त शेतीचा अभ्यास. नेक्स्ट इज this is the diagram which is being discussed in this chapter. It is called as relationship of geography with other subjects. So it is called as भूगोलाचा अन्य विषयांशी असलेला सहसंबंध. So this part is also eliminated this year. So the explanation of this, that is relationship of geography with other subject, is also eliminated along with this, which is on page number 79.